What's up, guys? A very short update in the price of Bitcoin. So we all have already $14,114,000, and that was after we broke the descending channel to the upside. In fact, you may say that there was a test of this trend line from the top after the breakout, and we have a nice reaction. I would say that, of course, that happened again with correlation of SP 500, because the growth which we had before was corrected, and now this correction seems to be over. We're trying to make new all-time highs with in SP 500, right? So that dragged Bitcoin to the upside as well. And not only Bitcoin, Ether also shows pretty much similar kind of a reversal pattern here, because we had this zone between $4,000 and $5,000, and we broke it to the downside. But after that, well, actually the depth was pretty much the same as the range of this zone, like a depth of this zone, right? But now we see the pattern, reversal pattern, which is very like a telling and very classic. We see that many times, both Bitcoin, Ether, and even altcoins as well. And that's pretty much similar to what we have with BTC in terms of the like a trend reliability, and potentially we'll test $4,300 here, maybe several times, and then return to that zone between $4,200 and, well, $4,000, and we're actually already above that. But I mean, it's kind of a wide resistance here, right? So it's between $4,000 and $4,300. So we'll return back to that range, which would mean that it's very likely that this is the short to mid-term low, and Bitcoin Ether will probably make all-time high above $5,000 within the next weeks or maybe months, but probably more likely weeks. And yeah, that's kind of a general trend right now. Of course, I'm not dismissing the probability, or possibility rather, that the price will make another low below $107,000 again, because again we are trading probabilities here. So it's always a chance that there's something happens, like a black swan event, or just there's not enough liquidity. We'll try to see if there's anything reasonable in terms of the stop orders and liquidations below certain levels. So I would argue $102,000, or maybe even the range between $85,000 to $90,000 is another interesting zone. But the chance for us to see price going there, it's relatively low in my opinion. So most likely we'll see something like that. Again, probably easy to return to something like $112,000, but then higher from there, test 115, 16, 17,000 and break out to the upside. So yeah, that's a positive situation at the moment right now. I think it's my opinion, not a financial advice, not a trading advice, not an investment advice, as you know, guys. So just sharing with you what I'm currently seeing in the charts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you are having also optimistic view on the situation, and it's making better with your altcoins as well. It's not so great at the moment, but I hope that will change in the future. See you next video, probably next week, because if nothing happens, I will try to do it maybe Monday or Tuesday. However, if something outrageous, if we'll see 200K for BTC, of course I will make another video. But if not, see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever you are. And yeah, goodbye.